When we receive the machine, we install the amp to the machine. We can see here has three holes: water inlet, spill water hose, water outlet. We find a funnel and insert it in the water inlet and add the water. When we see the water up from the spill water hose, meaning the water is full, we can stop at the water and press here to out the funnel. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water up from the machine and then add the water again. We connect the pedal. And insert the power line. Now we turn on the key switch and the emergency button. We have 5 hands used for the machine system. This one is used for the lighting system. And this tube needs to connect here. And this one is used for the second system, surgery. And the tube also needs to connect here. And this one is used for the vagina. We need to connect this one. Connect here. You have 2 hand controls. This one and this one. And this tool is used for the rover. We can see here has 6 systems: light skin, surgery, vagina, vulva, and this tool is same as the first one, light skin. The difference of them is that the frequency of first one is 10 and the 3D is 20, 4D is 30. Now let's try the first one, light skin. Here is the system interface, and this is the energy. We can set to 15 and adjust it basis on the customer building. And this is the power switch. We can set to 30. And this is the distance between points. You can set to 0.8. And here is the pulse interval. You can set to 0.5. This is the area of floating point. You can set to 8. And this is the set. Here is the order of point. It has the remote, mid-free, disorder, and order. And here is the shape of shooting. You can choose one remote and click here. Step on the pedal, start working. The second system is surgery. Here is the system interface. It has remote, pulse, CW, single. The single have two parameters can be set, energy and pulse interval. And the CW only have the energy can be set. Now we'll check the pulse. Here is the energy. You can set to 15. And this is the pulse rate. You can set to 1.5. And here is the pulse interval. You can set to 1.5. And click here. Step on the pedal. Start working. The third system is vagina. Here is the energy. You can set to 15. And here is the number of laps. You can set to 7 or 4. And this is the distance between the laps. You can set to 0.8. And this is the number of points. We can set to 25 or 30. And here is the set. It also has a remote, mid-free, disorder, and order. And this one is the point of calibration. And we can click here, step on the pedal, start working. The last system is mover. Here is the energy. You can set to 15. And here is the pulse rate. You can set to 30. And this is the distance between the points. You can set to 0.8. And this is the pulse interval. You can set to 1.5. This one is the area of the shooting point. We can set to 8. And here is the state. We also have the remote, mid-free, disorder, order. And we can click here, stand on the table. Start working.